Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadget once again. Today, I'll be taking you through steps to do some programming commands on your laptop. For example, checking the serial number of your laptop via the command prompt installed on your laptop, even without no programming or coding knowledge. I'll also be giving you a trick whereby you can check your system information. This is very important for the people that are buying a certified refurbished laptop, or you are buying a pre-owned whereby you don't have all the details on the laptop. You can actually check them on your computer. And I'll also be giving you another trick to check the programs that are currently running on your CDM. It's called command prompts. Before we go into it, kindly make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so as to get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, now I'll be going into my laptop proper as usual. Okay, for you to run the program, you have to type CDM in this search text box. Okay, you can see command prompt. Click on it. When you click on it, to get the serial number of your laptop, that's the first thing we are doing now. If you are buying a pre-owned laptop or renewed laptop, it does not come on the package. So this is what you are going to type. Just when you open it like this, you type WMIC space BIOS space get space serial number. I'll be putting this below the video description so you can copy it and paste it, but it's always good to type it so you could actually remember it. Then hit enter. You can see right now, you can see, wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. You can see this is the serial number of my laptop. It's exact, it's correct, it's perfect. Okay, how do you get the system information? This is simple. It's so simple. Simple. To get the system information, you already know, if you are new here, you go to the search box, you type in CDM. When you click on CDM, it opens. Then you come here, you type in your, okay, let's see. So we need system information, system info. That's what you need to type. You can see it's loading network card. You can see when you try these tricks with your friends, it goes a long way. It goes a long way. So you can see the info. You can see it's telling me host name laptop. That's the name of my laptop. I didn't rename it. Version. It's telling me manufacturer Microsoft Corporation, configuration, build type. It's giving me product ID, all details. These are some details you will never get access to. So, okay, I want to know what kind of program is running. All you need to do is to know what kind of program, just type in your tasklist. Oh, can you see? Just look at that. So these are the current program running. It's so beautiful and amazing. It's easy. There are a lot of commands you could actually do in the command prompts. You can see these are the current apps that are working, and memory usage, it's listed. Somebody will just think, oh wow, this is amazing. There are ways to also end these tasks, but most of these things are working. I would not be able to do with this video. Wow, that's amazing. Well, thank you very much. That will be all for now. If you had gained anything in today's video, kindly leave a thumbs up and share these videos with your friends and family. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.